various ways to greet one another. In the West, people greet each other by saying hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, etc. But it is not limited to these phrases only. Speaking in English does not limit you to these greetings. You are more than welcome to greet one another following your customs, religious ways, or even native manners. Let's go and meet Zara. Hi Zara. Hello teacher. How are you? Now, let's review how to answer this question. Our question is, how are you? How are you? You can reply with, I'm fine, I'm fine, or pretty good, or even not bad, not bad. Another way of saying how are you is, hey, how's it going? You can reply with good, or pretty good, or even not bad. Here's a tip. You can't answer how's it going with I'm fine, as it will sound strange. How's it going is a very casual way of saying how are you, whereas how are you is a formal way of asking someone how they are feeling. If you don't feel well, you can say not so good, or not great, or even not so well. Another casual way of asking how are you is by saying what's up. You can reply by saying not much, or nothing much. Here's a tip for you all. Since what's up is just another version of saying hello, you can also reply with hi or hey. Let's take a look at what we have learned in role-play form. Hello Sam.
Hi Zara.
How are you?
I'm fine. You tell how's it going?
Not bad. If you struggle to come up with sentences in English, you can write that in the comment section below, and we will try and answer that question for you.